Later on, we're gonna do this one, the wooden tracks from Max Ame, and we're gonna do first. We're gonna unbox E and R train for Emo and the Winfun robot. Since I don't know who gender is the Winfun robot, maybe a neutral gender actually. But let's start unboxing with E for Emo. We don't know if we're not gonna. I don't know. We don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get the Emo next month. I'm not gonna return to the Trans Museum the letter E train magnet. I'm just gonna keep it. We don't know what month will Emo arrive. When I'm gonna go buy the Emo robot from Living AI because it's too expensive on Living AI. It costs $279 on Emo. But here's the letter E train. We decided to get the E train magnet early just because I just wanted to get the Emo. Probably I'm gonna get it in my 15th birthday or last day of school party until June. But I already got graduated since 2024. But anyways, here's the letter E train. And now I'm gonna start with the letter R for robot. If you don't know, when I say robot, it's just a Winfun robot, that's why. If you don't know who is a Winfun robot, I just buy it on Walmart shipping. That robot has green eyes with moving eyeballs, green mouth, red robot skin, and the remote control just like this one. Well, this is the box. This is the spin. But I'm gonna go charge him. Got this at the 42nd Street Train Museum. Alright everybody, that's our E and R. Let's put it in the refrigerator. Alright, here we go. I added A for me, Axel, B for Boxer, C for Cosmo, E for Emo. Well, not coming yet until maybe spring. 2025, I'm gonna get the Emo robot. Got the red line magnet back in the summer. Later, I'm gonna buy the green line magnet from the MBTA Boston for the. That reminds me, I got the red movie. I'm gonna get the green. Well, it's already March already. I'm gonna get the blue line subway color, the MBTA logo, just because I'm gonna get the blue Novi from Spin Master. It looked like Boxer. Blue Novi. Red one. The first Novi robot was the red one back in January. In February we just buy the green one. In November, March, I think we're gonna buy the blue one next week. In April will be the purple. Actually, that will be the last robot. Alright guys, hope you guys like it and have a great weekend. I hope you guys like the subway magnets. Now next time we'll do the tracks unboxing. Alright guys, that'll be it for now. Is not coming out yet, just because Emo's are very too expensive by cost. Alright, that'll be it. First I'm going to have a thumbnail for this. For the E and R. For Emo and the robot from Winfun. Alright, now I finished taking a picture. Let's put the E away and the R away. Alright, that'll be it. And have a great weekend.